How to change your Shopify theme without losing content. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Shopify theme without losing any content. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store, and this will open the theme section. Click Themes. Now scroll down to see the available themes. You will find free themes and paid themes here. Pick a theme you like and hover over it. Then click on it. Try theme. This lets you preview how your store will look without making it live. If you're happy with the preview, you can move forward. Before publishing, it's a good idea to back up your current theme just to be safe. Once that's done, go back and click Publish to apply the new theme. Shopify will automatically apply the new layout and your content will stay in place. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Shopify theme without losing any of your content. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.